Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're already signed in and ready. Join the Google Meet now. Once you enter, make sure you're in the main meeting view rather than a floating preview. Look for the top right area and the bottom control bar first, because the chat control lives near those controls. If you have a small window, expand it or use full screen so icons are visible. This prevents mistaken clicks. Now keep an eye specifically for the message bubble or the three-dot menu, which you'll use in the next step. Once done, find and click the chat icon, a small speech bubble, usually at the upper right on desktop. This opens the right side chat panel. If you don't see it, make sure the meeting window isn't cropped. Click the three-dot menu and choose chat from the list. On mobile, tap the three dots in the corner and pick chat, or look for a message icon in the meeting controls. The panel shows messages, and you can type at the bottom. This is how you send to everyone quickly and check links. To finish, type your message in the chat box and press enter. You'll see messages stacked with timestamps. Make sure you're not muted from chat by host settings. Hosts can disable chat or restrict side conversations. If the panel fails to open, reload the page, rejoin the meeting, or switch browsers. On mobile, force close and reopen the app. As a final tip, check extension interference and clear cache if persistent. If you still can't access chat, ask the organizer to confirm chat permissions or send your message verbally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.